Excitement enveloping everyone here because it is a huge occasion. The Champions League final. Who's going to be crowned Grand Kings of Europe? Stay with us for all the live action on EA TV. It is something very special indeed to make it to a UEFA Champions League final. Now these two teams are intent upon tasting glory. Welcome to the showpiece event on the European club calendar. Derek Ray here in the commentary position, joined tonight for live coverage by Stuart Robson. It's Wolverhampton Wanderers facing Manchester City.
Well, Derek, you just wonder what those players are thinking right now. Some will be nervous, some will be excited, and some may be anxious. But once that whistle blows, we're going to be in for an absolute classic here.
Kevin De Bruyne couldn't keep the ball. And here's the Wolves lineup.
Well, they're playing with a 5-2-3, as we can see it here. But somebody has to step in to join those two midfield players. It could be one of the fullbacks or it could be one of the centre-halves. So keep an eye out for that.
Well, he couldn't quite hit the target, Stuart.
Well, it's a decent effort, but I don't think it was ever going to trouble the goalkeeper.
And so the starting 11 for Manchester City. Ederson is the goalkeeper. Rodri plays alongside Kevin De Bruyne in the centre of the park. And leading the line today is Erling Haaland. Well, if you're the opposing defender, you've really got to keep a weather eye on Erling Haaland. What are you expecting to see from him in this game, Stuart?
Well, the game plan of the coach is to get the ball into the front players as quickly as possible. He is the player to do it. He's brilliant with his back to goal. He'll link up the play, and he's key to the way they play the game.
And he has options available. Decides to shoot. A routine save. Ryan Ait-Nouri. Now with Hwang. And Wolves using width to good effect. And crossed in there. Oh, in it goes! The opening goal in the UEFA Champions League final.
Well, here it is again. He goes past his marker so easily with just a drop of the shoulder, but the finish is far too easy. He doesn't even have to jump. How has he afforded that much space? It's a tidy header, but really poor defending. Well, Guardiola has to get his team playing again. This isn't going to plan, that's for sure.
So the match has restarted, 1-0 here. It certainly wasn't a clean tackle, and the referee has got to book him, I think. And that is going to mean a caution.
The referee is absolutely right. He knew what he was doing there. Well, he can't believe that decision. He's not happy at all, is he?
Kevin De Bruyne. Here's Grealish. Grealish. And a decent delivery. Clearance left a bit to be desired. Rodri. It has to be. Oh, a goal! He's equalised. Was he made from moments like this? On an occasion like this?
Well, here it is again, and I don't expect keepers to save everything at their near post, but I think he should probably do better. He'll be a little bit disappointed with that.
So, a level contest. 1-1. Lemina. The ball with Rodri. Haaland. And he might be through here. Oh, really commanding goalkeeping. Well, opting for the short corner. Cuts it back. Happy to shoot. Excellent block. Potential opportunity for Manchester City to take the lead. Corner kick it is. And De Bruyne firing it over. And there it is, the half-time whistle. Well, they've got things going again here, and I wonder what kind of second half we have in store for us. Decisive in the tackle, and the throw in here. Max Kilman. Tote Antonio Gomes. And here's Cunha. Wilting under the pressure. And now they try to go forward. A real opening now. Plenty of space for Wolves out wide. Will he play it in? And defensive play to be applauded. 30 minutes to go then. Erling Haaland. Akanji has it. Moving the ball really well here. Can they stop it going in? Oh, the angle was acute.
Well, I don't think anybody was expecting him to shoot from there. That was really close.
And they will make the change now. It's a promising City move. De Bruyne takes it on, and the goalkeeper has outdone himself with that save. Put in by De Bruyne. Oh, a goal! How about that for a degree of difficulty? Simply off the charts.
Well, as you can see, they don't come much better than this. It's a goal of the highest quality. Wonderful piece of skill. Well, he can't control his delight, can he? It's a wonderful moment for his team.
Well, Well, as they kick off again, 2-1 the current state of affairs. And teammates around him. Holland. Well, they're going to be very cross with themselves because that was a wasted opportunity. And Manchester City will go to their bench.
Coming onto the pitch, number 5, John Stones.
Nouri. Oh, managing to beat him. Real chance. A glorious opportunity it was, and that could loom large.
Well, that should have put them level. That could be it for them today.
Well, with 5 minutes remaining and just one goal between them, still the prospect of late excitement in this match. This could be the equaliser. Well, the keeper is happy the bar was there. Well, no way through in the end. Clean challenge. Well, adding up all the stoppages, we will have 3 extra minutes. Perfectly positioned to take it away. And there it is, full time. Manchester City, Champions League winners.
Well, just look at the emotions out there. Joy and relief on one side, despair and heartache on the other. But we've got the right winners here. They fully deserved it on the night.
For these players, well, it's the night of their lives, and they're determined to enjoy every millisecond.
Well, they have to make the most of this, don't they? It's a great feat. What an achievement from them.
Well, they don't need to be reminded about what comes next. It's the presentation of the coveted Champions League trophy.
Well, there's some tired players out there, but what you can be sure of, they'll find some energy when they get their hands on the trophy. They'll be going mad in the next few moments.
The Champions League winners, Manchester City.
Well, this is what they wanted. What a moment for these players. They've worked so hard to win this trophy. They've been fantastic.
And you can feel the emotion. It's natural to reflect on this final, but so much hard work has gone into the entire campaign. Memories, memories. And that's exactly what they're doing. Trotting over towards their supporters to say thank you, a collective effort always on these occasions.
Well, what more can you say? They are the best team in Europe. These are the moments they have to make the most of. It doesn't happen very often, does it? These